Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. This one's gonna come in a form of like a short ass video, but it is what it is. Today we ended up going for Supreme Week 17 TNF. This is the second iteration of the collab for this season, and it was the bleached collection, I guess you could call it. But we're gonna get into the little live cop in a little bit. If y'all do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. We on road to 19,000 and then 20,000. You might as well subscribe because there's a giveaway for this tee going on, and this might be the last time that you see me actually talk about the giveaway. So make sure you follow the instructions on here right now. All you have to do is subscribe, follow nori.archives on Instagram, and comment done on that picture right there. All I need is like 25 more subscribers and we'll pick a winner for this and move on to the next giveaway for the month. So make sure you go ahead and do that. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So this morning, honestly, I was all over the place. I'm gonna show y'all what happened in the live cop. I kind of cropped it down a lot, but y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. So it was 11, bro. I refreshed and I saw the TNF was there, so I went to the hats and I went to the Balaclava. I'm looking through the colors and shit. I'm like, bro, which one am I gonna get? I don't even know. So I go to the snowman and I'm like, yo, this shit is kind of hard. I try adding that shit to cart and literally it was stuck on these adding page for like 10 to 15 seconds. So I decided to back out. I'm like, fuck it, bro. I'm gonna get the Balaclava, add that shit to my cart in the black, and I try to check out. As y'all can see right here, I put all my information in, you feel me? The first time it said it was sold out, so I decided to go to the navy. Y'all not gonna see this, but you feel me? It's basically the same shit. I decided to do that. I put all my information in and I ended up hitting on the navy. It's fire, bro. Low key, I'm gonna try to wear this. I do have more balaclavas that I'm gonna try to wear, you feel me? But it's no guarantee. Like, I don't know if when I get this shit here, I might think this shit is too hype beastie for me to go outside in a fucking box look. Yeah, I don't know. That's probably why I never wore them before, but we gonna see what's up with it. If I do end up liking it, I might end up wearing it. If not, shit might just sit in the collection or it might get sold. I don't know, to be honest. I'm glad I did hit on it, and honestly I think the navy color is fire because it's more subtle than the black with the red. That one kind of pops a lot because that red pops on that black. On the navy color, it's a little bit more subtle. Maybe that's my opinion. Let me know what y'all think about that. I feel like the pink color was hard. I don't know why I slept on that one. The green one was hard too. I usually tend to pick up darker tones like navy and black because I feel like they're more wearable. As far as like green, red, and the fucking lime yellow looking ass colors, you can't really wear those with a everyday fit. Like, I know I can throw some shit on with navy and make that shit rock, and I know I could do the same with black. That's simply why I gravitate towards those colors when I buy clothing. And honestly, bro, y'all can see the whole fit at the top is black right now. The bottom is actually not. I thought it was because normally it is. I do buy a lot of dark clothing. That's just my opinion. Let me know what y'all decided to go for this week. Did you have success? My girl actually hit on a Polar Tech half zip in a medium navy. I think she's gonna keep it for the personal like she does with all her shit. The way that she got this was because she had a credit since the beginning of this season, bro, and they've been hoeing her like the whole time. It's like mad difficult for her to even get the credit to pop up, so she had to put like a fake card, let that shit decline, then put her real card manual, and the credit pops up. Steep, bro. Shit is steep. Luckily she did end up paying $15 for this, if I'm not mistaken, something around that price. It's fire, bro. And I did think these Polar Tech half zips and the hoodies were clean. I feel like it was some of the better pieces that released this week, if I'm being honest. So hey, I'm excited to show y'all what this looks like. I'm excited to see what it looks like, period. And I'm excited to see what this fucking head situation is gonna look like when it gets here as well. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video by leaving a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't forget to do it anyways because we got this giveaway going on, bro. It's gonna be done probably like the next video if y'all show enough love. If not, definitely the video after that. So make sure you go ahead, subscribe, follow nori.archives, and comment done on that Yu-Gi-Oh picture, and we gonna pick a winner, and then we gonna get into the next giveaway. Like, I'm gonna do another one, so stay tuned too. But hey, let me know. But with all that being said, man, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.